The 2019 Good of the Land Fest is just around the corner. Go to thegoodoftheland.com to get your tickets now. We only have a handful of the special second day event tickets. It's backstage, hanging out with cool YouTubers like A-Bomb79, Hand Tool Rescue, Jimmy DeResta, SV Seeker, and so many more. So get over to thegoodoftheland.com right now and get your tickets before the other YouTubers start talking about this and it sells out. Welcome back to the homestead. Today, I'm building a shop, as you can see behind me, but we need to get guys safely up to the top. So I'm going to show you a really inexpensive way that if you've got a tractor with a front end loader that has forks, that you can make a man basket with like in 4 minutes. So these totes are everywhere. You can pick them up for about 50 to 70 bucks, depending on what's in them. Sometimes they're even cheaper. Now, you've got a couple little Torx heads holding in the tank, and then the tank pops right out. It's really easy to get out of there. And what you're left with is a galvanized steel frame on a galvanized steel base with these little rubber mounts down here at the bottom. What's nice about this is once it's on the forklift, it's locked in place, so all you do is just run a chain from here. Now what we plan on doing, I don't have the welder here right now, but what I want to do is make a man door right here. So just cut, and then put some angle iron. But for now, it's a step ladder. You just climb right over it. You're in the man basket. You can't fall out. And as long as this is chained to the tractor, you're good to go. Where that grill guard comes in handy. Shark cage. I think we're gonna make a shark cage. There it is, guys. Pretty simple. Strap it to the tractor, and I'm going to trust my life and my friend's life to this thing. I know it's strong enough to handle that. It can handle 275 gallons of water. You think it can't handle one monkey with a wrench? You're crazy. So for this build, we're going to leave this just like this, guys. I'm not going to change it because you can climb right up on it. Takes 2 seconds to get in it. All right, I'm happy. I feel safe, man. My friends are important to me, and I, of course, am important to myself. And so, hope this helps you guys out. Free man lift. You know, these things are all over the place. You can pick them up for pennies on the dollar. Just check Craigslist, and you got yourself a man basket. Genius idea. I'm sure someone came up with this before I did, but I didn't get this from anywhere. I just threw it on here because I'm a man. I'm super attractive, and really, really smart. Pretty much the smartest guy I know.
Forgot about the big dick part.
Oh yeah, I'm a big dick. All right guys, link in the description to Stephen Cox channel, and also more build videos on the way.